Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see about a new mining platform that can make you bigger returns in upcoming time. So don't miss it out. Just you can earn it freely, guys, by mining, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Just mine it freely and make big profits with these guys. Okay, so before that, this is our official Telegram channel. If you are not yet joined in our channel, just join it immediately. Here you will be getting a lot of free airdrops on daily basis, so that will be useful for us in future. So don't miss it out. That can make you huge money too, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out, guys. Just join us and make money with us. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, I'm just sharing the link in the description. Okay, just click on the link and open it, or else just open the Play Store. Just type it Mineable. Okay, this is the app. Okay, I'm just sharing the link in the description. Just click on the link and open it, or else you can type the app name in the Play Store. Okay, Mineable. Okay, so that's it. Just click on and just click on download option. Okay, I just downloaded already, so I'm just showing you. Okay, just click on download and then you can open it. After downloading, then you can open it. Okay, opening the app. Once you open the app, your home page will be like this. So a lot of things will be shown here. Say 7x7, login, create wallet. It will be showing like that, guys. Okay, so I'm just giving here is create wallet. Okay, first of all, just create wallet. That's it. Okay, enter your email ID, enter your password, enter your password confirmation, enter your referral code. Okay, so just for an information, I'm just showing you guys. Okay, so yeah, I just returned something, so just continue. Referral code I will give you. Just don't forget to give the referral code. Okay, if you are giving referral code, then only you will be getting 200 points, guys. Okay, so just click on continue. Yeah, this is my email, so email is already used, so it's showing like that. So I am just giving another my email ID. Okay, yeah, that's it. Just click on continue. Okay, so please verify your email ID. Okay, it is showing to verify your email ID. So once you verify your email ID, then it will be showing to then it will be asking to just create your wallet. Okay, so create your wallet is similar like like Trust Wallet and other wallet like. So 12-watt seed phrase will be available. Just you can note it 12-watt seed phrase. Then you have to write down. Okay, then you write down somewhere else, and then you can just log in. Okay, with the 12 seed phrase words, you can log in our account. Okay, once you are log in our account, I'll show you like that. Okay, I'm just logging in right now. Yeah, once you're you can log in after that. Okay, yeah, once you're logging our account, your account will be like this. Okay, here in your home page, just click on overlock option. Okay, for the new users. Okay, click on overlock option. Okay, click on overlock option. It will be showing here no boost. Okay, once you are a new person, it will be showing no boost. Okay, first of all, you need to click 100% boost. Okay, first of all, for all the new person, you should click 100% boost and click overlock. Okay, here right now it is change overlock, but first of all, you will be asking overlock. It will be asking. Okay, first of all, you need to click the overlock option, then click on 100% boost option, then click on this page. Then click on this one, guys. Okay, this one. Okay, this one you need to click change overlock. Okay, that after clicking that, that's it. Fine, your mining starts. Okay, so 200 megahertz per second you will be done. So 2 workers will I'll show you here. Okay, 2 workers, 200 megahertz. That's the power you will be getting, and 2 workers. Okay, the 2 workers will be working for you to mine the platform. Okay, one is this one and another one is this one. Okay, these two mining machine will run for you. Okay, and after that, this is a workers. It will be showing like that. See here, this is a workers. It is showing like that. Okay, and one more thing, the upgradable option, repair and activity, a lot of things are available. That is not required for us. So upgradable, if the machine is repaired, you can repairable from here, and you can upgrade your machines and activity. A lot of things are available, but that is not required for us. Okay, right now I have 6.95 MNB coin. Okay, one coin is equal to $1. A lot of people are guessing for the launch, so let's wait and check for the update, guys. Okay, so a lot of things are available. Just click on here statistics, and you can buy the machine. Okay, with your MNB coin. Okay, and finally this is a wallet option. Okay, so spending wallet is wallet is not coming soon, and spending wallet is also coming soon. Okay, spending wallet is here, your balance will be shown. Okay, 6.95 MNB. Okay, this is the thing, guys. Okay, so every time I'm crediting this MNB coin rate, it will be showing here. my 6.95 MNB is showing here. So that will be you can hold this for lifelong, and once the coin is launching you can make big profit with this kind, guys. Okay, so one coin is expected for $1, so that's what I'm suggesting for everybody. So don't miss it out. This is a coin that can make you huge returns in future. Okay, so that's why I'm just suggesting you all, guys, so don't miss it out. This is a coin that can make you huge, so don't miss it out. Just make something better from here. This Mineable app is going to be crazier for the final launch, and the final launch price will be expected for the one coin, one MNB equal to $1. So that's what I'm suggesting here. Don't miss it out. This is going to be great in future, so just mine it freely and make big profits in future, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, just to watch. We will be seeing another great video in the next one, so don't miss it out. Just watch it out and make money with us, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in a great video. Thank you.